Good morning, everybody, from Autumn's parking garage. We are all packed up and ready to go this morning, and we are going to
Wimberley.
Yeah. And so I'm excited because I've always heard about it because that's one of Autumn's favorite places to go. So we're going there for a couple of days. We're gonna do some outlet shopping, and we're gonna go to some wineries. And I'm excited. Have anything to say?
What do you want me to say?
Right.
But yes, so the outlets are in San Marcos, and we're going to some of the luxury outlets there. That place is huge, and they have Gucci and Prada and YSL and all kinds of other things, so that's exciting.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Hey guys, we are at the outlets. What is the name of this outlet?
This is San Marcos Outlets.
Yeah, we're at the luxury section, and we're in line. There's a lot of people behind us. We're about to go in. I'm super excited. The guys went to Starbucks, and we're gonna shop some more. This is day 2 of our shopping, and we are going to Wimberley to some wineries. And yeah, I'm excited.
Me too.
So we're tired, but you know, I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.
I'm not really that tired.
Same.
Yeah, maybe I'm just ready for some wine.
Yeah, we've discovered we're basically the same person.
We are. We're a lot alike.
Yeah.
And you're just so obsessed with me. Yeah.
Yota. That's our new name. Yota.
I like that. If we ever have a child together. Okay guys, I didn't get to film in Gucci because he told me I couldn't.
Yeah.
I mean, I was trying to sneak, but that was all I could do. Oh, okay, we're blocking the door. But anyway, where are we going now? I'm just following Autumn.
We're just walking around and whatever
There's
we
Prada.
go to next. Yeah.
There's Tory Burch. Oh, and Gwenny. Tell her what you found.
Oh, they had some Soho bags at the Gucci store, and they had some red Soho disco bags.
Right?
And they were only $5.
$5.
Five U.S. American dollars.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we didn't get one for you since you already have one.
Yeah.
Okay, we are in the Tory Burch. I'm just going to quickly film an overview because they might tell me to stop. So, yeah, it's a nice one. But you know what? The prices seem to be kind of high for an outlet. Here's some fun pieces for summer. Cute. I actually kind of like those. I don't really do bucket bags, but that's really cute. Did you find something you liked, Autumn? I'm sneaking in a film. Oh yeah.
I like the Radziwill bag.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh.
And this one is...
Do those remind you kind of the large peekaboo in a way?
They do.
Yeah, me too.
Retail on this is $1,200, and it's half price.
That's half price?
Yeah.
So well, that's not so bad, but some of the other ones that I've seen, I think are. Yeah, so she's gonna put it up there, but that was pretty. Cute. Have anything to say?
What do you want me to say?
Hey. I snuck a little bit of filming in there while we were in there, and are we gonna get in line and go to Prada?
Let's go to Prada.
Okay. We're gonna go to Prada. Alright. Wait. Okay. So we are trying to do some serious shopping here. And
yes.
Keith and Paul will not quit. They're stalking us.
They are.
I mean,
it's ridiculous.
Every time we turn around, there they are.
It's embarrassing.
It is, really. And Paul's like, hey baby, what's your sign?
To her, not to me.
Yeah. I'm like, hello, I just saw you a few minutes ago. Can you go get an ice cream or something? Go do something. Why are they following us?
I think they're bored.
I do too.
But they need to be reminded that this trip was for you and I to hang out.
Exactly.
Not for them to bother us.
Well, I mean, Go do something, for heaven's sakes. Go hit on other women.
Yes,
we don't
please.
care. Just leave us alone, right?
Right.
Okay. So if we see them, we'll just hide.
Yeah. We'll pretend we don't know them.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
We'll start screaming.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea. We'll start screaming, security! Security!
Exactly.
Okay, guys, we didn't buy anything. We went in quite a few. We went in Saint Laurent. We went in Gucci, Tory Burch, Prada. You know, we hit up several different stores, and we didn't see anything that was calling our names.
I know how you feel about big dogs.
So, anyway, I think we're gonna just hook up with the guys and go to Wimberley and probably have some lunch because I'm really starting to get hungry. And Autumn's over there. She's calling Paul. You know, the annoying Paul that has been following us around, he and Keith. And anyway, so they're gonna come pick us up. And then we're gonna go to Wimberley. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, so here we are in Wimberley, Texas, and this is the main house, the Blair House Inn, and it's such a quaint little property with these beautiful trees. It has really warmed up. It's beautiful weather. The trees have moss on them. So Keith and I are staying in the main house in a room called the Houston room, and then Autumn and Paul, they got a bigger place so we can actually have a common area to hang out at night because there's other guests staying in the Blair house, so we don't want to, you know, disturb anybody with our rowdiness. Just kidding, but no, so we can hang out at night without bothering people. So look at this. So it's so quaint and pretty. All this pretty outside seating. It's just very rustic looking. Beautiful trees. Beautiful porch. And the people here seem very nice. So we're gonna walk in the front door into the foyer. And if you look straight ahead is the dining area. The middle room is the common area. And over there is the office. And this is just like a greeting room. There's lots of art on the wall and it's all for sale. And it's painted by a local artist. Okay, so down this hall, you can see all the artwork. Just up and down. Just beautiful artwork that I like to walk around and just look at all of this. Look at that, so pretty. Pretty. So I'm going to turn around and walk through the main room. The common area has high vaulted ceilings, a nice sofa, fireplace. It's very cozy. Table. So they have the tables all set up for dinner. And then this is an area where they keep refreshments, tea, water. They have coffee. So you get your drinks and then you sit down and they will serve you a hot breakfast. Yeah. So look at that pretty mirror. So anyway, and then you walk down this hall. The very end, right there is our room. But this is like the library. There's games, there's all kinds of pamphlets and brochures of things to do here in Wimberley. Books, games you can use, there's a computer. See, there's all those books. Here's our room, the Houston room. So there's Keith, and look how pretty the bed is. Okay, so I don't think you can see it because of the glare, but right out the window up there, up on the hill, is where Autumn and Paul are staying. And here's the restroom, and there's the closet. And we had a lunch, and we have a dinner reservation, you guys. Wow. We've been eating well, haven't we, Keith? I'm gonna be quite a bit rounder when I get home. So I'm gonna turn the camera off a bit, charge up my phone, just relax a little, and we're gonna go to a winery and drink wine here in a bit, or we're having dinner. I'm gonna have a light dinner. I don't know what's on the menu, but I'm gonna have something light. So I'm just gonna wait till Autumn gets in touch with me and just hang out here and charge up my phone. So I'll be back in a bit, you guys. We're having a great time. Autumn and Paul are the best hosts, are they not?
Yes, they are.
They just make sure, I mean, they're just great. I can't tell you. I know I pick on Autumn a lot, but you guys, she's a great person. Paul's a great guy. We're just having a great time. So I'm so excited to be here. And I'll talk to you guys in a bit. This is such a pretty little place. Look at this. There's one of the little cabins. And let me get some scenery. There's the pool. I sure hope that Paul and Keith brought their Speedos. Okay, so there's 2 cabins. There's the pool. Hey, that looks inviting. And that is where Paul and Autumn are. Here's a nice little area to rest and sit around. This is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so pretty. Oh, there's a hot tub over there too, right there. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, I was trying to rest, and Autumn's been bugging me and texting me. She just can't stand it that I wasn't up here. Look at this beautiful view, Keith. All right, knock on the door.
Open. We're here. Hey.
Well, hello, gang.
Hello.
Yeah, we had to rest.
Yeah.
Did you guys rest?
I haven't.
I told him you probably didn't. Yeah. So
If I was to rest, I'd be out for the rest of the night.
yeah. So there's Autumn all sniggly. I can't wait to cuddle with you, Autumn.
God.
TMI.
There's the bed. Oh, look at this place. They even got a big tub. All right. This is the big house. We're the peasants, okay? Okay. Okay, so we did have reservations, but we're all pretty tired. I mean, we've been going non-stop partying, haven't we, Paul?
Yeah.
So we're pretty tired. So we're gonna go to the grocery store and get some wine and cheese and crackers, just some snacks, you know. Come back here and just hang out a bit, because we got a full day tomorrow. So I'm excited. But anyway, guys, yeah, I just wanted to let you know what the plan was, since you guys are here with us. Ooh, look at that. Are you trying to get romantic on me, Snooks?
Maybe.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
We have a charcuterie spread tonight.
Yes.
We had a late lunch and we had dinner reservations and we decided to cancel because of a few reasons.
Mm-hmm.
So we went to the grocery store and
Yeah.
made our own charcuterie spread.
Isn't that nice? Look at
Yes.
that.
We have double cream brie and some peppered salami. This is a truffle Gouda and this is a chipotle Gouda.
Yeah?
We have fruit to dip in caramel sauce, chocolate covered, are they almonds?
Yes.
Blackberries, and of course wine.
Yeah.
I think that's everything.
Doesn't it look good? And the, would you say water crackers?
Yeah,
Yes,
water crackers.
water
Uh-huh.
crackers.
Water
Those are
crackers?
Peppered water crackers.
Yeah.
Paul, go out. Would you like a plate?
Yeah. There you go, Paul. There's Hottie. There he is. And there's Keith. No.
Oh.
And there's Keith.
That's right.
What do you have to say, Keith?
What do you want me to say?
All right. There, no, we have wine, you guys. Of course we have wine. Oh, wait a minute. Here's something else we have. You know, because I'm Greek, I got
Yeah.
black olive and feta pita crackers.
Oh, I've got to try one of those.
Doesn't that sound good? Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. Ooh. We let Autumn put everything out. You're good at this.
Thank you.
Very good.
I've had a lot of practice.
You have, haven't you?
This really isn't.
Mm-hmm.
As far as presentation, it's really not very much. I've done much better.
See, we have a nice romantic fire because me and Snooks, she's obsessed. And she said, I can't wait to cuddle with you tonight. Didn't you?
Sure, Yota.
We're going to cuddle.
I'm busy.
I'll sit over here by the Gemini. Paul.
I'm ready to eat.
Hi, Paul.
Are you ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat.
I'm ready to
He
eat.
wants me to turn the camera off because we're ready to eat.
Right. I don't want anybody to see me eating.
Okay. He's ready.
It's gonna get ugly.